Today we'll take a look at the Fitee USB 4 cable. So we can see that is a nice braided cable. It does even have a little Velcro strap on there. It says that is 80 gigabit per second. That is labeled on the plugs, as well as 80 gigabit per second and 240 watt charging. And it looks like we got the same thing on both connectors. Very nice, we got 240 watt charging. So that means they used heavy duty power wires on this. They do come capped, and they do have the clips to hold it in place. It does come with instructions. It says it supports up to 80 gigabits per second with bidirectional data transfer rate up to 120 gigabits per second of video bandwidth. Supports dual 8K or triple 4K at 144 Hz and 240 watts charging, 5 amps at 48 volts. And of course that is backward compatible as well as with Thunderbolt 5.2.3. So I'm going to plug that into my big charger, and we'll plug that into my phone. And we can see that we are super fast charging, so that is excellent. Now I want to make sure this can handle the data rate, so I'm going to plug that into a Zyke drive, and I'm going to plug that into my computer. Okay, I did pick that up right away, and it is playing the files on that drive. Got about 15 gigabytes worth of pictures and video, and I'm going to paste that onto my C drive. Okay, so we're running about 3.2, 3.3 gigabytes per second, so that ran very fast. I'm going to copy those. I'm going to delete these, and I will paste them back onto the external drive. So we're getting about 1.2, 1.23 gigabytes per second. And let's do a speed test. Okay, so we're getting a speed of 3673 on the read and 3443 on the write. So no loss in performance by using this cable. So yeah, overall, that is an excellent cable.